Hello, friends, and welcome to my very first color and chat. I thought I would just do kind of a quick project and go through some new information, let you know what's going on for 2020. And here's the first thing: I am now on the Not Too Shabby design team. So keep an eye out for some projects starting in January, and the giveaway also has to do with that. So stay tuned. And after I let you know what we're doing with this project here, this is a quick card. Then I will talk about the giveaway and where you need to go in order to enter for that. So anyway, I'm using kind of an older image from CC Designs. I think it's called. I want to say Snowflake. Absolutely adorable. I love this little image. I've used it several times, but I don't think I've ever used it in a video before. And I'm also using my Spectrum Noir, the tri-blend markers, which is something that I've been kind of playing with a lot lately because I like to take this stuff to work with me and try, on my downtime to, I'll stamp out a bunch of images, take it to work, and then color them in using my tri-blend markers. And I usually have like a little supplement of a couple of the Copic markers, which you'll see here in a minute. To kind of fill in that color gap where I'm missing some stuff. So if you haven't used these tri-blend markers, they're really good for travel and for smaller images. Not so great for the bigger, more detailed images because you really don't have the with the tri-blends. Only with the tri-blends. This is what I'm talking about. You don't have the color range really to do a whole lot of super detailed stuff. But when it comes to like quick images like this and easy stuff, smaller images, these tri-blends are awesome and they're very portable. So just giving you my opinion about those. I'm not being paid by them in any way. I wish they send me stuff. I totally would use it. But anyway, these I think they're actually pretty good. And I only have the original 24, and I will. It's on my list of things is to get the new ones that they released as well, but I do not have those ones yet. So I'm just working with the originals. So I wanted to go with kind of a lighter themed. I'm using some of the papers from the La La Land. It's called Christmas Hodgepodge. I'm using the birch trees from that is Lawn Fawn. So I've got a whole hodgepodge of things because when I can do my own thing and I'm not having to put out a video specifically for a specific company, I can mix and match till my little heart's content, and I love to do that. So I've got a couple few things from La La Lands. I've got, like I said, I've got the birch trees from Lawn Fawn. I've also got the Sentiment is one. I want to say Spellbinders, but I'm probably wrong about that because I can't really remember where I got that one, and it didn't happen to be on one that was labeled. So, but anyway, back to the giveaway. If you head down to the description underneath the video, there's a link to Jamie, the Not Too Shabby Shop, her YouTube channel, and specifically the video where she talks about the giveaway. So she's basically just introducing the design team and giving you kind of um, links to all of their YouTube channels where you can go and join in with subscribing to their different YouTube channels so you can meet more designers, get a better. She's got a lot of designers now, and we all have very different styles. So if you like what I do on my channel, you're gonna really like what they do on their channels because it's gonna give you a lot more ideas, a lot more variety. Um, with the products that you already love because Jamie carries all the products that you probably love, which is, like I said, the CC Designs, Lawn Fawn, Waffle Flower, MFT. She carries all that. Plus, she has her own line, which is super cute and very popular. So if you haven't been over there yet, I totally encourage you to go check it out. Also, go check out the other designers, their YouTube channels, their Instagrams. Um, the more times you enter, I think the more chances you have to win. So I think it goes not just YouTube, but also with Instagram. I think she's also wanting you to go over and join in on the Instagram as well. So anyway, back to the card. Since I've finished the coloring and I cut her all out, now I'm using my papers to just create a little scene. And I love these papers. Aren't these just the cutest things ever? So I wanted to go with the pink and that real dark gray theme. And I thought the one with the words on it with the hugs and the laughter and the snowball and all that would make some cute like ground cover for her to be standing on. I've got my birch trees, which originally I did some Copic marker coloring on all those, and then I didn't like it, so I just flipped them over to the other side, so you can't really see that anymore. And I'm just going to layer everything up, and then I will trim it all down. place it on my card base. And there's the sentiment that I have no idea who makes that one, and I'm so sorry. I really have no idea, but it's super cute, huh? And now I'm going to use the star wreath, which is another one of the lawn fawn. This is my favorite. They have a couple different ones, and I'm going to pick the other ones up as well. Because right now this one is my absolute favorite. I love doing this where I just put a little wreath of something behind my character, and it's usually I pick something sparkly. So like this, I've got the silver paper and the sparkly white snow paper. And I'm just going to layer these up behind my little character. It just gives some interest behind it, and I think they're super cute. But I think she's got I want to say Irina has ones with some hearts on them, and I'm pretty sure, not just the stars. So if you go check those out. But here's the finished card. I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. Like I said, don't forget, head down to the description below, follow those links so that you can enter into the giveaway. And I will see you again real soon with another video. I think my next one should be another card kit, hopefully. Anyway, thanks so much, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye bye.